Hi, it's Alexis from Artists in Business, back with another video helping you turn your online art business into a success. Today, I'm going to break down how to choose the right business coaching services for your art business, online or off. Now, whether you're a fine artist or a person who has a creative product or offer you want to build a business around, finding the perfect business coach can make a world of difference. So let's jump into this topic. The first step in choosing the right business coaching service is to define your goals and needs. Take some time to reflect on what you want to achieve through coaching. The most effective way, hands down, to begin is to craft your story around why your specific kind of art or creative offer has come to be and why it's meaningful to you to share this with others. This is often referred to as defining your why in the business world, and it's what we refer to at Artists in Business as your signature story, because it's the story that is unique to you and your experience with your own form of creative work. See my link in the notes below to get our signature story guide for free that will walk you through how to create all 4 parts of your signature story suite, the most essential part of your art business. The next step is to define your revenue plan. Now, this is not as overwhelming or as daunting as it may seem, especially if you've never put together a revenue plan in the past. You see, there are only 3 numbers you actually need to figure out when you're in the initial planning stages of your business. How much you need to make personally per month, how much your business needs to make per month, and how much you want to add on top of both of those numbers in order to meet your personal and business needs. We walk you right through this in our AIB revenue plan guide, and I've shared the link to that as well in the comments below. So once you've clarified the story behind the work you want to offer and your initial revenue plan, the next step is to make a short list of what you believe you need the most help with right now in your business growth. This is an important part of the process because you don't want to look for coaches who can help you further down the line when you're already making 6+ figures if you haven't already started making that much now. Instead, you want to work with a coach who can help you get to that number first. You also want to choose a coach whose personality is a positive match for yours, so you can feel at ease working with that person and confiding in them in the ways that will help them help you the most. If you choose someone you don't feel comfortable with, you'll likely never be able to get the full benefit of their expertise. So to help you make this list quickly and simply, here are 3 questions you can answer for yourself right now. What do I need help with in terms of financial growth? What do I need help with in terms of practical growth? And what do I need help with in terms of personal growth? Now that you have your signature story somewhat clear, your initial revenue plan set, and your short list of what you're looking for in a coach, it's time to research and shortlist potential coaching services. You want to start by asking for recommendations from colleagues, friends, or fellow creatives you know have worked with coaches. You can also explore online directories, industry forums, or social media groups for suggestions. Look for coaches who have a track record of helping artists and creatives with the exact items you have on your shortlist. Once you have a short list of potential coaches, it's crucial to evaluate their credentials and experience. Check their qualifications. Look for any relevant industry experience or success stories they may have. You want to ensure that the coach has the necessary expertise and track record to support your business goals. Now, different coaches may have varying coaching methods and approaches, and it's essential to assess whether their style aligns with your learning preferences and needs. Some coaches may focus on one-on-one sessions, while others may offer group coaching or online courses, or a hybrid of the 2. Consider which format would work best for you and how much time you can commit to your coaching sessions. Before making a final decision, request testimonials and references from past clients. Hearing about their experiences will give you valuable insights into the coach's effectiveness and professionalism. Don't hesitate to reach out to these references directly to ask specific questions about their coaching journey and outcomes. It's important to get a well-rounded view of the coach's abilities. So once you've gathered all the necessary information, it's time to schedule consultations with your top coaches. This step is so crucial because it allows you to have a conversation with the potential coach to see if there's a good fit. Prepare a list of questions to ask during the consultation, covering topics such as their coaching process, availability, pricing, and any additional support they provide. While choosing a business coach, it's important to consider your budget and the value they offer. Coaching services can vary significantly in cost, so assess whether the coach's fees align with your financial resources. Remember, it's not just about finding the cheapest option, but also about the value you will receive. Investing in the right coach can yield substantial returns for your business. So any coach who is willing to work with you to help you create a payment plan structure to suit your needs is also one worth considering because it shows they have your best interest in mind. Once you find a few coaches you believe could help you and have potentially had an initial call with them, take a moment to answer these 3 questions to help you narrow in on the right one. Number 1, can this coach help me grow from exactly where I am at this moment to the next level of success I'd like to see in my business? Number 2, can I afford this coach's services? And number 3, do I feel comfortable with this coach's personality? Finally, trust your instincts. After conducting thorough research, evaluating credentials, and having consultations, you should have a good sense of which coach resonates with you the most. What is your most burning question or takeaway after watching this tutorial? Please share in the comments below so I can be sure to make more videos to answer your specific questions. And to keep up to date with the tutorials I post, be sure to hit the subscribe button. When you subscribe, you help us reach you with the content you need most, and you help other artists and creatives in the process.